Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today video, bottle caps art ideas. Don't throw away these bottle caps, turn them into art, arrange them in colorful patterns, glue them on a board, creative unique wall decorates friendly, creative, and a real contribution start for your home. Bottle cap coaster. Tiny caps, big creative. Glue bottle caps into cardboard or a wood and make funky coaster. They are durable, colorful, and the perfect dye touch for your coffee table. Bottle cap mirror frame. Add a rich charm to your mirror with bottle caps. Just paint them, stick them around the frame, and watch your mirror transform into a statement decorative piece. Simply stylish and friendly. Bottle caps, garden pet students. Why not take your dye outside? Fill cement models with bottle caps and creative stepping stone for your garden. A fun way to recycle and decorate your outdoor space at the same time. Turn waste into music. Drill tent holes in bottle caps, hang them with stitch and creative a window charm that dance with the breeze. It's a cheerful and friendly way to decorate your balcony or garden. Friends, bottle cap photo frames give your memories a colorful border. Decorate a simple photo frame with paints, bottle caps, and turn it into a vibrant keepsake. Every cap adds a pop of color and a touch of love. Bottle cap tabletop. Level up your routine with bottle caps. Arrange caps in pattern on a table with clear and creative stunning one of a kind tabletop. It's functional, durable, and full of personality. Bottle cap clock. Time to recycle. Design a wall clock using bottle caps as the number. It's quick, fun, and a brilliant way to upcycle what you already have at home. Turn tiny caps into trend stories with just a little paint and creative. Make unique pendant earring and keychains, handmade and stylish. These pieces are sure to stand out. So, words Allah Hafiz. Thanks for